Okay, so the prop's off, and what we're doing now is using a toothbrush, brass brush that I got out of my gun cleaning kit, and we are trying to get all the old dried stuff off, which is coming off nicely. Just want to get all that old kicked off crap off and get the splines clean, and use the Volvo Penta certified prop grease, or shaft grease, prop shaft grease. So just getting it all clean. The old stuff, it had been a while. It's been about a year since, well, I bought the boat. I had the boat a little over a year. First time we're doing it. Recently found out this is one of the maintenance items, especially being in saltwater, that needs to get done. Oh, that was good. There goes the toothbrush. Anyways, so I'm going to be religious about this now, because they said if you keep it lubed up properly, you should be able to pull it off by hand. So I'm probably going to do this every couple months now, and get to keep this thing nice and clean. So it's one thing else I don't have to worry about. Plus, we noticed when we pulled off that inside prop, the front one, we had fishing line up in there, and so we were able to get that cleaned out and go from there. So, all right, hope this helps anybody. All right.